up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, so yeah, you're gonna want to be subscribed to your girl. I'm getting ready to go to one of my friends' event today, and it looked like it's about to rain again, and I'm pissed off about that because I already had an outfit in mind. So now maybe I should just do my makeup and then figure out the outfit afterwards, because I'm going to be late. Right, I'm going to do my eyebrows first. Using the Kiss Top Brow. I'm going to clean that up, don't worry. I'm going to use my Tint Lash Brow Duo. My Kat Von D. Using my NARS. Oh, sorry, that was my e.l.f. Jelly Pop. This is the Milk Under Eye Hydro Primer. You put some P. Louise Base. You already know the bestie, P. Louise Base on the eyelid. Go into the Warrior by Juvia's Place palette. Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place palette. My favorites to go into. I'm going to go into this brown right here. I'm going to deepen it a little with this color, this darker brown right here. So I have my Wet n Wild's Mega Liner. This is one of my favorite liners. I'm going to go into the concealer and create a bottom wing line. I'm going to go into this blue right here from my Morphe 39L Hit the Light and put that in the inner corner, bottom inner corner. So with the same palette, I'm going to go into this green. Let's trust the process. Then I'm going to go into the Try by Juvia's Place and go into the darker green. Darker green right here. Oh god, I might look like I have a black eye. Oh no. Looking real janky. Clean it up with concealer, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, trust the process. Ooh-wee. Girl, you gotta hurry up. The fact that they gotta match is killing me. I don't got time. I'm using my Laura Mercier loose setting powder to dim some of the shine that is on my face. I'm moving so fast, I can't even react. I'm watching it, I'm looking dry as hell, pale as hell, dry as hell, pale as hell. Alright, let me set that. Okay, going into my NARS. Ooh, earrings in the way. I'm going to go into my Fenty Match Stick in the shade Truffle. That's how I do it. Oh, forgot my nose. Let me use the butt of this. This still has some foundation on it, so I'm gonna do that to blend. this harsh line. We getting some wear. Concealer. Taking my Too Faced in the shade Soleil dark chocolate. I know you're like, you don't use your makeup, but I do. Let me line my lips while I'm at it. 504, gotta get up out of here. Use my MAC Chestnut, so I do overline them. The pressure is getting lost. My Jouer Self Focus. I use this a lot, so I don't know why. I'm gonna use this to dust off this powder right here. I love the finish. Ooh, you can't tell me nothing. I'm moving so fast, 'cause I am Flash. Speed lightning. Ooh, my lip is not lipping. Who's that? What is that? My lip is not lipping. What is it? Get it together, sis. My beauty blender. Shade Topaz again. Should I do curly hair or should I do straight hair? This is my Myth by MAC. I'm gonna put Trophy Wife in the inner corner. Ooh, Trophy Wife. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. This is a whole lot of. Should I use these lashes? I am going to put some on my wing line. While that is drying, I'm going to use my BH Doja Cat and use the orange for blush. Okay. Set my face. Drench that hole. 99-cent lip gloss. Come on, come through. Alright, so I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Doja Cat Collab Prison Bronze Loose Powder Highlighter. This is one of my favorite highlighters to use. Ooh, yes. Set this face again. Then I'm going to get dressed and I'll be right back. This is the top right here. I have on the Jeffrey Campbell's like stocking shoe. The black ones. I don't know if I should wear the curly wig or the straight wig. I don't want to glue nothing down. My head is pounding. Hopefully it ends quick. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm thinking in my head, hopefully it starts on time and I'm almost late. What I'm going to do. Let's see. My head is pounding. Maybe because I didn't eat all day. I'm kind of liking this. I really don't want to glue nothing down. Head is pounding and I'm putting more stuff on top of my head, which is crazy. Dang, I don't have a gold one. I have like a drippy drip. The fact that this is not gold, like where did this color come from? And I don't have black, or I'm gonna have to use my tie. Can't even do it with this jacket on. Alright, I have so much going on in the background. I'm sorry about that. But I was trying to get life together. My room was looking like a mess. Trying to figure out life. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know how y'all feel about the eye look and the outfit. I'm going to insert pictures. So yeah, let me know. Comment down below. Until next time. Peace out.